Okay, got a 1988 Yamaha 3AJ Tenere. It's got some electrical issues. I'm going to check to see if the stator is outputting properly, which feeds into the regulator rectifier. You can see it here by the 3 wires that are white and 1 red. The white wires are coming from the stator. They are the alternating current, and they go into the 4 pin right there, which is the regulator rectifier. And as you can see, it's kind of buried in there. So changing it out was kind of a pain. In order to do so, you had to take off the under panel mud flaps. And there's a couple clips in there that are kind of hard to get to and unscrew, especially when you got an oil leak and it just flings a bunch of dirt and crud up there. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the bike started, set up some leads using my trusty voltmeter here, set the alternating current, plugging them into the white wires, and seeing what we get. The first thing I want to do is to check though my main fuse. I haven't had a chance to check this since I've had charging issues, so I'll go ahead and pull that off. Yep, looks like we got a good fuse. Alright, so I'm going to try to test the battery real fast and make sure I'm getting a good amount of voltage. I'll try to do this with one hand so you can see what's going on. .57. Sorry, it's a little janky. Okay, so fuse is good, battery is good. I started to take apart the wiring harness down here and I noticed a bunch of splices. It's not looking all that pretty. Looks like someone had a lot of fun a long time ago. So with my top 2, that's those guys up front. Pretty good about that. Bottom and top left. Okay, this is top right, bottom. Alright, so now I've plugged the regulator rectifier plug right back in, and I'm going to take my red wire and put it into my red guy right there. Let's see if it figures out where you are. Alright, so with that in there, and then taking my